if there's like one thing that you would tell your older self as a younger self, I don't know if that's how the saying goes, but like if you could tell your younger self like something, that's it. I would definitely tell myself, girl, reach for the stars and be nicer to yourself. Like, do better maintenance on yourself. Because sometimes when when we have like some issues, sometimes we don't even be wanting to get up. We don't even be wanting to take care of ourselves sometimes. And I get that. Like, I get how that can be so, like, even just getting out of bed can be a task sometimes. And there's definitely times when you just want to sleep all day. Like, you don't even want to move a muscle. You don't want to go to work. And you're just like, I just want to be to myself. Just know that that's okay. If you ever need to take a day off, if you ever just need to call out of work just to get your mental right, don't feel guilty. Like, that's exactly what I did today. And I know it was something simple as just washing my hair, but I literally had to like get myself up, wash my hair, cook myself some salmon bites, and I really don't regret it. Like, this is definitely for my people that feel guilty for having to take care of themselves. Like, yeah, we have kids, we have responsibilities, but how do you expect to pour into others' cups and you're freaking running on E? Like, I do not care. I'm so big on self-care. Don't forget to do self-care for yourself and to choose you. Like, that's my biggest thing lately, is choosing me. Like, yeah, I'm always there for other people, but when am I going to be there for myself? When are you going to be there for yourself? When are you going to say, you know what, I don't feel guilty for not going to work today, or I don't feel guilty for not helping so and so, or not doing this for another person. I did this for me instead. Like, literally getting up, journaling, stretching and meditating, and just watching your favorite show. Like, look, I'm watching From right now, and I should be at work, but I'm being selfish right now, and I don't care. My mental comes first, and so does yours.